Welcome to MyCAD Tutorials, and from this channel you can learn AutoCAD 2D, SketchUp and Lumin from beginner level to advanced level. So subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon to get notified for new videos. So this is the first video of my channel and the first video about the introduction of the AutoCAD. So in this video I will discuss about these topics: what is AutoCAD, the second one is why use AutoCAD, the third one is history and development of the AutoCAD, the fourth one is the advantages of the AutoCAD, and the fifth and last topic which is the which skill we can learn from the AutoCAD course. So here I have made one PPT. From this PPT I will discuss about these topics. So let's start with the first topic. So the first topic is what is AutoCAD. So AutoCAD is developed by the Autodesk. The full form of AutoCAD is Automatic Computer Aided Design. It enables computer aided design and drafting. This software is one kind of engineering designing software. The purpose of the using of the AutoCAD is create 2D drawings and 3D modeling. And this software allows users to conceptualize idea, produce design and drawing to the required levels of technical accuracy, and even perform rapid design in technical areas like civil, electrical, mechanical, etc. If you are from any field like civil, electrical, mechanical, etc., you should learn the AutoCAD to designing or drafting. So now we will see which is the next topic. The next topic is why use AutoCAD. So what is the purpose of using AutoCAD? So the first one is to increase the productivity of the designer. AutoCAD increases the productivity of the designer by saving money, saving time, etc. very much, which we will see in the advantages of the AutoCAD. The second one is to improve the quality of design. Before implementing this software, all designers used Drafter and Sheet to draw a design. So, by using AutoCAD, designer or drafter can improve the quality of the design. The third one is to create database for manufacturing. And the fourth one is to improve the communication through documentation. We will see in detail all these things in the advantages of the AutoCAD. So, the next topic is history and development. So when was the AutoCAD was released? The first version was released on 23rd of December in 1982, and it was divided into two parts. The first part is the AutoCAD 360 and the second one is AutoCAD LT. So now I will tell you about the what is AutoCAD 360 and what is AutoCAD LT. AutoCAD 360 is used for 2D, 3D and isometric view. AutoCAD 360 is design software for the users of the smartphones. So if you are user of the smartphone, you can use the AutoCAD 360. We can draw, view and edit 2D AutoCAD drawings through multiple devices. This software is an account-based web and mobile application to view, search, share, edit and review using the cloud storage such as Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. So, AutoCAD 360 is one kind of the mobile application which is used for the 2D, 3D and isometric view. So, we can draw, view and edit 2D isometric drawings and 3D modeling and isometric drawings from the AutoCAD 360. Now what is the AutoCAD LT? AutoCAD LT is only used for 2D. So normal AutoCAD includes the 2D and 3D both facilities, whereas AutoCAD LT is only for 2D. So if you want to use only 2D or if you want to purchase the license only for 2D, so you can use the AutoCAD LT. So this was the history and development of the AutoCAD. So our next topic is advantages of using AutoCAD. You can see here the major advantage of using AutoCAD. You can see the before and after using AutoCAD difference here. So before implementing the AutoCAD software, all engineers used Drafter and Sheets to draw a design. So after implementing the AutoCAD, it is very easy to design or drafting or making any changes of the drawing. You can see here the first and major difference, or you can say advantage of using AutoCAD. So now we will see other advantages of the using AutoCAD. The first advantage of using AutoCAD is accurate and fewer errors. The principle of AutoCAD is a dynamic engineering model. This model blends design and production drafting together, which allows the changes to be made to any part of the design at any time in a whole object. So, its results come accurate and very few chances of mistake. So this was the first advantage, which is the accurate and fewer errors. We can draw any drawing accurately and with fewer errors. So the second advantage of the using AutoCAD, which is save time and money. So as per I have said, before implementing this software, all engineers used drafters and sheets. So it took too much time for a designer to design. If the produced design didn't specify the customer's need, or manufacturer found any error in the design after manufacturing, then the draftsman or designer have to change the whole design, which was a very time consuming process. The designer need to change the design of the product by erasing, or sometimes he has to use the new sheet for design it. So AutoCAD works very speedily, which saves lots of time for a designer. Saving time is equal to earn more money by more output, and it is an efficient program that increases the work progress of the designer and help in saving time and money and reducing errors. After implementing of the AutoCAD, the designer or draftsman save more and more time and money. So this was the second advantage. Now the third advantage of the using AutoCAD is easily data transfer. Using AutoCAD in architect design has made it easy to share files with multiple people at one time. It is not easy to work on very heavy and very big file, then share them without any data loss. But AutoCAD has made it easy to upload the design data on the internet and sharing it with many designers. So by using AutoCAD, we can very easily transfer the data of the AutoCAD. Fourth advantage is database for manufacturing. AutoCAD permits in creating manufacturing data such as material required for elements, dimension and shape of the models, products and element drawings. It helps in creating and managing a wide database, which is an important part of the production process. So this was the fourth advantage of using AutoCAD, that is database for manufacturing. So the fifth one is easily import export of files. AutoCAD Creator supports file import and export features. We can see the import and export option in the AutoCAD. AutoCAD supports different other tools and features that improve productivity of the program. For example, PDF support compatible with Autodesk 360, social media sharing, AutoCAD WS, DWG convert and many more. So, AutoCAD provides the import and export of file options. This is the advantage of the using AutoCAD. So, the next advantage is AutoCAD can calculate mass, area, volume, center of gravity in no time. Whereas if you want to calculate all this mass, area, volume, it takes too much time. But AutoCAD calculates mass, area, volume, center of gravity in no time. This software has an auto dimensioning feature that helps in designing easy and very accurate sketches. The user can also create 2D drawings from 3D models. And the last advantage is AutoCAD also supports PDF import enhancement. That I have said, it has the import and export facility, so we can also import the PDF in the AutoCAD. We can also import the images or any other DWG file in AutoCAD. So this was the advantages of using AutoCAD. Now we will see our fifth and last topic, which is which skills we can learn from the AutoCAD course. here is the list of few skills which we will learn from the AutoCAD course. 2D drawing, dimensioning, layering, different commands of the AutoCAD, trim and extend, lengthen and stretch, offset and mirror, type and edit text. You will learn all these things and many other things by doing the AutoCAD course. You can see here the major skill you will learn from the AutoCAD course, the 2D drawing and 3D modeling. After doing this AutoCAD course, you are able to make this kind of 2D drawing or any big 2D drawing. You can also fill the colors of this drawing and you are able to make the 3D modeling like this after doing the AutoCAD course. So these are two major skills you will learn. The first one is 2D drawing and second one is the 3D modeling. To make this 2D drawing and 3D modeling, you have to learn some tools of the AutoCAD. After doing AutoCAD course, you will learn all the tools and importance of the tools. So I am showing some major tools here which you can learn after the AutoCAD course. The first one is dimensioning and the second is this layering. By AutoCAD course, you will learn the dimensioning, how to measure the dimension of the line, how to measure the dimension of the inclined line, how to measure the arc length, radius, how to measure the diameter, etc. Then you will learn the layering by the layer command, how to do layering, how to make layers, etc. The next one is different commands of the AutoCAD. There are lots of commands in AutoCAD and they are very easy, but you have to do AutoCAD course and you can learn the all commands of the AutoCAD. The next one is trim and extend. We can learn what is trim, what is extend, how to use trim command, how to use extend command, why we are using these commands, and many more. The next is modify commands. We can learn the modify commands like move, copy, stretch, rotate, mirror, why we are using these commands, how to use these commands. These skills you can learn after doing AutoCAD course. You can also learn how to insert the text in the AutoCAD drawing. If you want to write something in the AutoCAD drawing, we can learn how to use this text command, what is multi-line text, what is single line text, etc. So the next is hatching. If you want to add some tile effect in the 2D drawing, if you want to add some brick effect in 2D drawing, if you want to some concrete in 2D drawing, so we can learn how to hatching. If you want to add some colors in the 2D drawing, we can also use the gradient. So we will learn these skills after doing AutoCAD course. Next is external references. If you want to attach any external references like drawing, PDF, images, DWG drawing, etc., you will learn how to add the external references in the AutoCAD. So I have discussed the very few skills that you will learn after doing the AutoCAD course. There are other many more skills that you will learn after doing the AutoCAD course. So must learn the AutoCAD by watching my next videos of the draw panel, modify panel, how to add text, how to do hatching, how to create the 2D plan, how to create the 3D modeling, etc. So for now, I have discussed the introduction of the AutoCAD and I have discussed these topics: what is AutoCAD, why use AutoCAD, advantages of the AutoCAD, history and development of the AutoCAD, and which skills we can learn after doing AutoCAD course. So thank you so much for watching. If you got something from this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon to get notified for new videos.